What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You see this big smile on my face? Today marks the end of the SEC versus Ripple case. Today, we're going to dive into what this means for XRP and the future of global finance. This is your new episode of Crypto in 10. All right, so after 4 long years of legal battles, uncertainty, and regulatory headwinds, the landmark case between Ripple and the United States SEC has finally come to an end. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse officially confirmed this on a Twitter post or X today. But what does this mean for XRP, for Ripple, and the broader financial system that's currently being reshaped by blockchain technology? Let's break it all down. So first, let's dive into why this case mattered. This wasn't just another lawsuit in the crypto space. This was a pivotal battle that would define the future of digital assets for the US. The SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, a claim that, if it was upheld, could have set a dangerous precedent for the entire world of cryptocurrency. But Ripple, the only company who had enough capital and grit to basically fight back, arguing that XRP, the digital asset, the only digital asset that now has regulatory clarity, has always been a decentralized digital asset, separate from the company Ripple. The lawsuit caused significant damage, and a bunch of crypto exchanges delisted XRP erroneously, and they definitely shouldn't have. Investors hesitated to basically put capital into this project, and there was a lot of regulatory uncertainty that basically put a pause or stalled adoption, especially here in the United States. Yet through it all, XRP continued to function globally, with 80% of its partnerships being outside of the United States, powering cross-border payments and transactions, enterprise solutions, and banking infrastructure. Now, next, we're going to talk about how this will affect the price of XRP, because I know this is a hot topic. This is what everybody wants to know. Now, with the case not all the way behind us, but for the sake of argument, it's behind us now. The first and the most immediate question on everybody's radar is what happens to price? So historically, XRP has faced major setbacks due to this lawsuit alone. The delistings on major exchanges suppressed investor confidence, and it created a lot of hesitancy from financial institutions in actually adopting it publicly. But now that cloud of uncertainty is 100% gone. We can expect three things: a surge in investor confidence. So, with regulatory clarity, institutional investors, these are the big Fortune 500 guys who have big bags of capital, billions and trillions of dollars. They are basically avoiding XRP due to the legal risk. But now it's game time. They're going to start entering the market. There's going to be major relistings on major exchanges, and we've already seen it was already previously delisted on Coinbase, Kraken, etc. But now we're going to start to see XRP trading increased liquidity and volume. I'm talking instantly. And right now in real time, today is March 19th, 2025. It's 11:42 Eastern Standard Time. We're already seeing increased volume, and the price has shot up. We're up about 11% right now. And last but not least, we've got some new partnerships and utility driven demand from banks and enterprises that were waiting for this moment. All right, so they're going to integrate XRP for payments, settlements, and liquidity solutions. And finally, what does this mean for Ripple as a company? Now, beyond price speculation, this victory has massive implications for Ripple, the company that operates using XRP, the digital asset. Now, its most significant enterprise use case is XRP. Now, alongside that, they have a stable coin. We're about to get stablecoin regulation with the Stablecoin Genius Act. And in another episode, I'll break that down as well. Here's what I need you guys to understand. Ripple has long positioned itself as a bridge between traditional finance and blockchain technology in the future of finance. Its solutions like RippleNet, ODL, or on-demand liquidity, they all use XRP to facilitate fast, low-cost international transactions. Now that legal uncertainty is gone, we can see a couple things: accelerated growth of Ripple's tech by banks and financial institutions that previously hesitated due to this lawsuit. We're going to see expansion of Ripple's partnerships with central banks. Now, this is not something that I agree with, but I know Ripple, since Davos many years ago, they implemented the CBDC toolkit. So Ripple has been working with other countries and nations to help explore and create CBDCs. Now, Ripple has already worked with multiple governments on blockchain based financial infrastructure. This is going to continue to grow. Here in the United States, Trump, President Trump has now stated officially on the record, we will not have a CBDC. So let's hope that's the case. And I hope other nations and other governments get on this same trend. All right. And last but not least, stronger positioning in global finance. Ripple is no longer fighting a legal battle. It can now fully focus on its mission of transforming cross border payments and global liquidity. Now, this is the star of the show, the bigger picture. What does this mean for crypto regulation? Now, this case was more than just about Ripple itself. It was about how the US government classifies and regulates digital assets. And now that Ripple has successfully challenged the SEC's claims and it has 100% regulatory clarity, other blockchain projects are going to find a clearer path in navigating regulations, thanks to Brad Garlinghouse and the Ripple team. Now, will this force the SEC to rethink its approach to crypto enforcement? Absolutely. It's happening right now under this new administration, and we are probably going to see a greater landscape, right? Just an overall feel in the market when it comes to who is going to be the superpower or the regulatory body who regulates cryptocurrency. I strongly feel like it will be deeper than the SEC, and they're going to bring in the CFTC. And we've been seeing a lot of Caroline Pham. She is the big dog over there at the CFTC. And Brad Garlinghouse was seen pictured with her. She's been engaging with Ripple for multiple years. So this is just right now we're on a golden path. Now, will Congress finally pass comprehensive crypto legislation? Absolutely, yes. This is another thing that we're waiting for. Again, the Stablecoin Genius Act, I think that's going to be the one that passes. It is from both sides, right? Republicans and Democrats. It's bipartisan, and I really, really strongly feel like this is going to be the Stablecoin Act that gets passed, along with MiCA that has already been passed in the Eurozone. All right. So that's the one thing that we've been waiting on is regulatory clarity. So I just need you guys to understand that this is massive as a whole, right? Now, in conclusion, this is a new era for XRP and Ripple because for 4 years, there's been a whole lot of uncertainty that has finally come to an end. XRP now stands as one of the only cryptocurrencies with legal clarity in the United States. This is a major milestone that could propel its adoption across finance, enterprise, and the government sectors. With regulatory barriers lifted, Ripple is set to accelerate its expansion, and XRP could see a renewed momentum, and the crypto industry as a whole is about to enter mass adoption and mainstream acceptance. The question now is not if XRP is going to survive, but it's how far can it go? What do you think this means for XRP's future? Are we about to witness a major shift in global finance? Drop your comments and your thoughts below in the comment section and stay tuned for more in-depth coverage as we cover all things crypto and blockchain. This has been Crypto in 10. Today is a great day. The case is now over. I want to hear your thoughts below in the comments. Let's go, XRP family, XRP army, and the whole crypto space. Let's get it. You guys are here early to the party. I can't wait to see what happens next. We'll see you guys in the next one. Skyton Academy. Thank you guys. Like, share, comment, share this with a friend, tell a friend and tell a friend. And we welcome you all to join Skyton Academy. All right. Peace.